Veskrama, sma deichkin. Good to see you. Good afternoon. Hope your day is going well. This is Pronouns 3. This is the end of a 3-part series about using pronouns accurately in Gaelic. So sharpening the accuracy of your Gaelic, especially with phrases that are trickier, with idioms. Okay, so today we're going to go with shiv and sheen and round up all our pronouns here. Gleva. So the first video in this series was about me and you. The second one was about him, her, and them. This one is going to be about you and us. Gleva. Let's jump right in. Shiv. So shiv means you, and this is polite and plural. So shiv, you've probably come across the phrase already. Kimiraha shiv. How are you? Kimiraha shiv. How are you? Yeah, you can also use it to talk about a bunch of people. Gleva. Okay, maha. Gleva. So let's jump right in here. Let's make these questions. Ask them, are you all doing well? Are you all doing well? Avel. Shiv. Vel shiv gama. Vel shiv gama. You'll notice there's a V sound here, shiv. Otherwise it'd be a very strange sound. Buh. Doesn't really work in English. Shibah. Sibah. Shiv. It's shiv. So there's actually an H sound here too. Shiv. Sounds like that. Shiv. Gleva. Avel shiv gama. Avel shiv gama. Tidy this up a bit for you. Are you, and remember this can be you're being polite to one person or talking to several people. Are you well? Avel shiv gama. Are you well? Avel shiv ski. Are you tired? Yeah. Avel shiv talichcha. Are you happy? You content? Gleva, and so on. So again, just like in the other videos, this first structure, very straightforward, very useful in that shiv appears just as we expect it to. Yeah. Unfortunately, the next 3 are not. They're going to be different. Shiv is going to appear in different forms. So let's see, what do we got here? Avel pechte akiv. Consistency. Gleva. Vel pette akiv. Vel pechte akiv. Vel pechte akiv. Do you have a pet? Vel pechte akiv. Do you have a pet? Again, talking to someone when you're being polite, using this form when you're being polite, or talking to multiple people. Vel pette akiv. Dulich. Vel pechte akiv. Gleva. Vel pette akiv. Gleva. Gleva. Okay, do you have a pet? And I'm sorry, I realized when I thought about it in the second video, I said there are no more tricks. There is a trick for shiv, actually, and we're really lucky to have it. Yeah, so our trick here, akiv ends in IBH, so does shiv. Yeah. Avel pechte akiv. Do you have a pet? Akiv, shiv. Gleva! Whew, we have another trick. Thank goodness. All right, and if you want to learn those tricks for identifying me and you in different forms that look less obvious than me and oo, check out the first video in this series. All right, Avel pechte akiv. Do you have a pet? This is going to carry on here. This is going to be very useful. Let's see. Do you like dogs? Again, we're just asking everyone we meet. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? An tal leif. Tal leif. Nakon. An tal leif. Nakon. As before, as I mentioned before, Gaelic likes to put the into certain, or pair the with certain words that is perhaps less common in certain forms of English. Yeah, do you like the dogs? Taleiv nakon. Very authentic in Gaelic. Nakon, nakon. The dogs, nakon. All right, and taleiv nakon. Do you like the dogs? We gotta. Whoa, gosh, big ears, holy moly. It's like a pig. Leva. Taleiv nakon. And then shiv gma. Gleva. Have a pechtakev. Yisk. Kacht. Vel kachtakev. Vel iskakev. Gleva. Nice. Do you like the dogs? And then asking, are you angry? Avel ferak. And sometimes it's the anger. Just like how we had the dog, sometimes it's the anger. I'm going to explain that all in the video about emotions. Yeah. So just for now, let's use ferak. Ferak. Avel ferak. Arav. Ferak arav. Are you angry? But literally we're saying is anger on you? Again, on you, if you're being polite, to one person or talking to multiple people. And when you're talking to multiple people, there's no plural polite form, it's just talking to a bunch of people. Okay, avel ferak arav. Avel ferak arav. Avel ferak arav. Bit of a K sound here. Avel ferak. Ferak, 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 ferak. Avel ferak arav. Gleva, avel ferak arav. Anger on you. Again, this v on the end, it's just like shiv. We are lucky. We are lucky with shiv. Me, u, and shiv have this pattern. All right, and actually sheen does too. And we're going to see that in a moment. Wow, I'm sorry, I was very misleading in that second video, how there's no other pattern. I meant with those, with me, you, and them. There's no pattern, unfortunately. Or trick, I mean. There's no trick for me, for him, her, and them. Gosh, wow, okay. I might need another cup of tea after this. So there is a trick for me and you. That's in video 1. We're going to see the trick for us and for you all, if you're being polite, we're talking to several people in this video. Whew, okay, Maha. Let's carry on here. Avel ferak arav. Oh, we need our kleva. Okay, sheen. Sheen, sheen. Sheen means us or we, us, etc., etc. All right, so avel shiv guma. Ha, sheen, guma. Yeah, we're good. We're well. We're doing good. Ha, sheen, guma. We are well. Ha, sheen, guma. So, Gleva. We are well. Sheen, just like how we expect it. And now, just like we had with shiv, we're going to see how sheen takes on different forms. It looks different. Okay, maha. Ha. Well, it's funny, we're answering the questions over here. Avel pettakev. Avel pechtakev. Avel pechtakev. Ha. Ku. Akain. Hakuakin. 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 Oui. Oh, dili. Careful. Hakuakin. Hakuakin. Nope. Oh, gee, Willikers, I really do need a cup of tea after this. Thanks for bearing with me. A dog. Gleva. Oh. It happens. It's getting really hot. Hai glev la uns in yurt. It's getting really hot in here. We have a dog. Akin. Ooh. In. This INN ending is just like sheen. Yeah. So we do have a trick. A trick for recognizing other forms of sheen. And there's a trick for recognizing other forms of shiv. We've got a dog. Hakuakin. Flop ears. Kind of looks like something else. I'm not sure what. Oh. Let me do the hashin uavasach. Jirach uavasach. Right. Ku. Stron. Sulen. Kluasan. Gleva. It's better. Ooh. Yep. Hakuakin. You've got a dog. Hakuakin. All right. We like The Witcher. We must. We must. Gleva. Stol. Stol. Lein. And Witcher. Stollein and Witcher. Aye. Gleva. Stollein and Witcher. Stollein and Witcher. We like The Witcher. Gleva. Stollein and Witcher. Clayu Starline agus Clayu Erigich. Gleva. All right, maha. Gleva. Stollein, Stollein, Lane, depending on your dialect, Stollein and Witcher. We like. Gleva. And then last but not least, we are angry. Avil ferak orav. Are you angry? Yeah, darn right we are. Gleva. Ha. Ferak. Orn. Ha ferak orn. And just like with all the other, just double N is the sign, just like all these other combinations of sheen in another word, you know, there's or is, this part is ed. Ed plus sheen. These are all combinations. They're smushed together, just like every single other combination. Lein, akin, leiv, ariv, akiv. These are all two words smushed together. Orn, on us, lein, le plus sheen, with us, akin, at us. You can kind of see the ache here. You can kind of see at. Yeah, leva. All right, maha. So, hashin guma, Stollein and Witcher, hakuakin, haferakorn. Gleva. Orn. Gleva. All right. Well, there you have it. Thanks for sticking with me, if you have, through all these 3 videos about using pronouns. And you're going to have several really important phrases reinforced by watching all three of these videos. Gleva. So using these accurately is really useful in conversation, and being able to follow along a conversation better because you know who is being talked about. Yeah. Okay. Gleva. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a lovely day. Chitty chitty.